Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I would like to show you the way how you can find the hidden request or a hidden message on Instagram application. First, you just need to open your Instagram application, and the next thing you need to do is just make sure that you are stay into the home section. There could be like several sections that you can find down part here. That could be a home sections, explore. This plus button is just to create the contents for your account, and this one is for reels, and this one is just for visiting your profile. Now if you already stay in the home section, you just need to take a look on the top side. There could be like two options there. There could be a notification with the love sign, and then there could be this sign for your direct message. Tap on it. Now if you want to access the hidden message or request message, tap into this request. There could be a option about hidden request. If you have some requests that could be hide or covered by the Instagram system, that could be saved into here. So you just need to tap it just to check it. If you have no any request, means that there is no request coming up into your account. So that's the way how you can check the hidden request on Instagram. Hopefully you enjoy this video, and let's meet again into other tutorial.